Alright, let's look at the next question. An IS auditor has been assigned to review IT structures and activities recently outsourced to various providers. Which of the following should be the IS auditor determine first? Option number A, that an audit clause is present in all the contracts. Option number B, that the SLA of each contract is substantiated by appropriate KPIs, key performance indicators. Option number C, that the contractual warranties of the providers support the business need of the organization. Option number D, that at contract termination, support is guaranteed by each outsourcer to for new outsourcers. So basically point number D is talking about support at the end of the contract, at the termination of the contract, right? Now the question again, whenever you find any difficulty, because now in this question, all the four options make sense. All the four option make sense, right? Now in that case, again look at the question. There should be at least one hint. Now if you look carefully, they have provided this word first. Which of the following should the IS auditor determine first? Alright, so important word over here is first. Now we have discussed in past that whenever you find any question which is linked with the software, and if you find the option having software escrow agreement, so most probably that should be the answer. All right, now I'll give you one sequence. Try to remember this sequence. So first preference should be given to business case. First preference always to be given to business case. Second preference after this to software escrow agreement. And the third preference should be given to audit and all of the points. And by the way, when they say audit, basically it means that either they have given us the authority to do their audit, or basically the most practical solution is what they will give us the independent auditor's report. All right, as we have discussed a lot of times about this thing. So basically over here, always remember this sequence: first business case, and then software escrow agreement, and then third preference to be given to audit. All right, so the correct option over here is option number C. Yes, that the contractual warranties of the providers support the business need of the organization. So basically first determine the nature of the outsourced service and whether it will serve our business need. All right, that should be seen first, and after that all other points will come, like software escrow agreement, audit point. So basically we have seen a lot of such questions in QAE where the answer was software escrow agreement, because over there we didn't find any option about this business case. All right, so the correct option over here is point number C.